They said that AI would help me run my business.
AI? Like Terminator?
I wouldn't even know how to use AI.
Hi, Patrick. How can I help you?
Yeah, I need to make a quick ad for the app. I want it to be 3 clips long, about 6 seconds each. The first clip, let's have it be, let's say it's a golden retriever astronaut in a spacesuit floating in space, really realistic and cinematic. And I want a text overlay on it that says, and when you're done, post it to the Instagram and call me when you're done so I can check it out.
Okay, I'll generate those 3 clips. Golden retriever astronaut in space, hairless cat in Egyptian pyramids, and the logo. Assemble them with your text overlays and fade transitions. Then post to Instagram and call you when it's ready. Should I proceed?
Yeah,
Got it. I'll take care of it. Anything else?
that's all.
Happy to help. I'm here whenever you need me. Patrick, your video is ready and safe to drive. Need anything else?
That's all. Thank you.
Anytime. Have a great rest of your day.
Hey, what can I do for you today?